A blank infotainment screen usually points to a software glitch rather than a hardware failure. If you drive a 2020 or newer Ford or General Motors vehicle, you can perform simple reset procedures in your driveway. These methods force a reboot without losing your saved settings. For vehicles with Ford Sync 4, the fastest fix is a soft reboot. Press and hold the power button and the Seek Forward button at the same time. Keep both buttons held down for exactly 10 seconds until the Ford logo appears on the display. If the Ford screen remains unresponsive, a hard reset is your next option. Open the hood and use a 10mm wrench to disconnect the negative battery cable. Wait 15 minutes before reconnecting the terminal to drain residual power from the system modules. General Motors vehicles have a different reset protocol. Turn your ignition on without starting the engine. Press and hold the end call button on your steering wheel for 15 seconds. This triggers a safe mode reboot to quickly clear out temporary memory errors. When the steering wheel method fails on a GM vehicle, locate the infotainment fuse. Use your owner's manual to find the radio fuse in the passenger compartment. Pull the fuse out with pliers, inspect it, and push it back in after a few minutes. Software updates are the best permanent fix for persistent blank screen issues. Connect your vehicle to a home Wi-Fi network and install pending over-the-air updates once the screen works. If the screen refuses to turn on after a hard reset, the module might need replacement.